Welcome back everybody to Juliet Kathleen the Shih Tzu's channel. If you want to see Juliet go from this to this, stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, I first start by rubbing her body so she knows and she's aware that she's going to get groomed and she's calm and relaxed. So as you can see, Juliet is aware that she's going to get groomed, and we're going to start with combing her hair. I'm so grateful that I do take good care of her. I brush her, I comb her at least twice a day, so it's easy for me when I do her hair. When you're combing the ears, you want to be very careful that you don't injure her earlobes or your pet's earlobes. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and get a plastic rubber band ready while I'm combing her hair down to part her hair for this look. Patting her down for a couple of seconds comforts her and lets her know that you're trying to do her hair as quick as possible. Sometimes she has her good days, sometimes she has her bad days, sometimes she just doesn't like to get her hair done. But you'll see that in this video I will be struggling just a bit, but at the end of it all, she'll allow me to do her hair with no problem. As you can see, Juliet is being stubborn, so what I do, I try to find ways to comfort her some more by giving her her toy in hopes that she'll let me continue with her hair. So what I'm doing now is I'm grabbing the front part of her hair, gonna go ahead and tie that into a knot, making sure that her hair does not get tangled with the rubber band as I put her top knot on. It's really important that when you do her first ponytail that her eyes are not going sideways. If it is, you have to adjust the hair by pulling some part of it out or slightly pulling it out so her eyes are not popping out or is uncomfortable for her or him. We're going to continue with the same process as we did at step 1. We're going to comb the hair, part the hair, making sure that it doesn't get tangled with the previous ponytail. And then go ahead and wrap a rubber band on, and now she's going to have 2 ponytails. And I'm combing it down as well, just to make sure that there's no hair getting snagged on the rubber band, which is very uncomfortable for her. And now step 3, we're going to go ahead and join the first and the second ponytail together. And it should look just like this, connected. As you can see, Juliet got away, but this is how it's supposed to look like. But once you connect the rubber bands together. And step 4, we're gonna go ahead and part the hair on the back, comb it up to make sure that I'm getting the correct amount of hair. Then grab your rubber band, and we're gonna connect them together. Just like that. And now it should look like this. And now to complete the look, we're gonna add a flowered barrette that we ordered a couple weeks ago, and we just recently received it. And the best way to apply a barrette is by pinning it in between the rubber band, just like that. And this is the final look. If you like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. We're gonna go ahead and add her coat collar. And always after she does a trick or she learns new things or she gets her hair done, I reward her with some treats. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to check out our playlist for your entertainment.